Okay, today we're going to build a stethoscope, which you could use for a circulatory system unit, a respiratory system unit for Valentine's Day, just so students can take a listen to their heart, to their ticker. I bought some aquarium tubing. There's different sizes you can buy, because I had previously bought some thin aquarium tubing, and you could use this if you're going to use funnels for the listening devices. I'm going to use these PVC pipe, but if you're going to use funnels, perhaps you could use the smaller tubing. And you need a scissor, and you need some duct tape. You want just enough tube to reach from your heart to your ear. And you're going to tape the tubing onto the elbows. So you can have students use this before they exercise and then after they exercise and describe the differences in what they hear. And you could also use it as a part of my Valentine's Day activity that I've got, vocabulary exercise along with a reading exercise on Gertrude Katz's Chronicle and also on TPT.